Nally. Pops, what it do, man? Boy, this big boat rolling, y'all. Pops done let me get a hold of it. I should show out, but I ain't gonna do it. I'm gonna have to get out before I do too much, but y'all already know. Huh? Stop it. Ah, you ain't saying nothing. Make sure y'all go check out the old videos. Pops, what you thinking, man? You over here stuck, man. Lou, he doing what you said, man. He lost now, Lou. He lost now, Lou. Pops riding off into the sunset in his baby, man. I feel happy for him. And it sounds crazy. Check him out. Bro, finna pull out, man. Finna let y'all see something really good. Fire Malibu out there. This bad boy crazy. This bad boy, another Mally. Yeah, man, if y'all digging the content, make sure y'all like the video, man. Comment down below, man. And stay tuned, man. Y'all boy Blue Dog with the vlog. Baby. Oh, mango baby. Oh, man. Got something in the works, man. Now, damn, baby, dusty. Y'all see it up under that. Pops, what it do, man? Be on that, y'all. Be on that. You on that, my boy? You on that, my guy? Yeah. You keep lifting up on your shit, or you going too much to the left. Oh yeah, that bad boy running. It's running now. I'ma holler at y'all in a second, man. Dirty but clean. Hold on, bro. See, you being on it before we even test it. Said let us test it first. Hurt on that motherfucker. Oh man, my boy Luke crazy. Look at how humid it is out here, man. It's ridiculous. It's on the rims. But yeah, though, man, we finna finish doing the tweaks and geeks. And I'ma holler at y'all in a second, man. Mango out on the streets, man. That bad boy snatching, my guy. You heard? Shit, I'm finished. It's finna tear it up, huh? Nah, you gotta let them finish doing their tweaks. You wasn't even supposed to be doing the driving for real. Yeah, that bad boy ready. My pop's ready, man. Shout out to my boy Lou and them over here at Killamar Customs. Making it happen for us, man. These fire cars, man. Y'all dig? So let me know what y'all think, man. I'll holler at y'all in a second, man. Peace. Bad boy back on, man. Had to do a little few minor adjustments. Now this bad boy ready to rock and roll. Y'all taking it out? Open. It's up. It's up. It's getting a little dark now. The sun's starting to go down a little bit, but want me to break it down? Good. You good? Yeah. Oh. Yes, sir. Big floating quote. Big floating quote. Yes, sir. My boy Big John on the wheel. Yes, sir. Ooh-wee. Ooh-wee. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I ain't gonna lie. That bad boy look good. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. It's another one. It's another one. No rub, baby. Yes, sir. This bad boy coming strong. I ain't gonna lie, man. Pop's capping, man. Pop's capping, man. They got the cars out. Say no rub. Woo-hoo! Orange guts on that joint. Looking real crazy. Yes, sir. I would jump in and spaz out, but I ain't gonna. I'm gonna let him get his glory. Come on, man. Go ahead. Go ahead. It's your turn. Look, I was gonna steal your shine, but I'm gonna let you have it on this one. All right, man. Nah, cause I want to smash out. I want to see the car smash out. I'm gonna drive it when you done, though. Go ahead, though. I want to see you do something in the car, man. Close the door all the way. Close your door. Yeah, all right. Yeah, Sirski. Yeah. Yeah. Rolling and riding now. And it's chopping too. Woo. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, that bad boy look hard. Ain't gonna lie, Pop's old, man. Pop's had the car 18 years, man. This is his first time getting to ride it right, you dig? Yes, sir. Got a little umph to it. Got a little umph to it, you dig? Courtesy of Kill 'em All Customers, man. They do what they do, man. Make this bad boy look brand new up under that, man. Factory fresh. Let me get a spin in there. No, matter of fact, I'm gonna take the camera with me. I'm gonna take the cam with me, y'all. Let me get mine. Let me get mines in, man. For the one time. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I'm on, Lou. I'm on, Lou. We gone, man. Ooh, hoo, hoo. I ain't gonna spin out the lot, you dig? I ain't gonna do too much. But boy, this big boat rolling, y'all. Pops done let me get a hold of it. I should show out, but I ain't gonna do it. Ooh. Yes, sir. Yeah, and it rolled too, y'all. Tell me, is it popping or what, man? Is mango in, y'all? Man, this bad boy turned like butter. Turned like butter. And it's a boat. I ain't even gonna try to pull it. I ain't even gonna try to pull it. Man. Let me see. Oh yeah, this bad boy roll. This bad boy. Huh? What is this right here? It's on? Yeah. Y'all, I can't see nothing, but they say the lights on now. This bad boy gotta look hard, y'all. This bad boy gots to look hard, man. We in Mango playing around, y'all. Ain't scrubbing at all. I ain't gonna lie, this bad boy come in. I'm gonna have to get out before I do too much, but y'all already know. Huh? Stop it. Ah, you ain't saying said, nothing they want me to stump it, I'ma stump that motherfucker. Y'all want me to stump it, I'ma get up in it. You dig? I ain't gonna show out though, look. You said stump it, right, Lou? Hey, no cap, man. This bad boy coming. I ain't gonna lie, man. Mango for the win, man. Mango for the win, man. I can't lie. Y'all see it? Woo. Oh, this me right here? Y'all see it, man. This bad boy running. Pops, you got you one, man. Lou. Man, the man with the plan, man. I ain't gonna lie, man. Got us in, took care as well. Y'all already know, man. Kill 'em all customs, man. Mango. Plenty more to go. It's still more stuff to go, but man, look at that. Lights on that joint. Yes, sir. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, man. This is what it is, man. I'ma holler at y'all on the next one. Y'all dig the content. Make sure you like the video and everything else under the sun. And make sure y'all go check out the old videos. Pops, what you thinking, man? You over here stuck, man. Lou, he doing what you said, man. He lost now, Lou. He lost now, Lou. You dig, man? So we gonna holler at y'all on the next one, man. Love, peace. Man, Mango off. I just wanted to thank y'all for tuning in with us, man. Pops riding off into the sunset in his baby, man. I feel happy for him. And it sound crazy. Check him out. So I'ma holler at y'all, man. Love, peace.